Lovely, welcome in a new lecture of the lectures of Coptic language. In today's lecture we are going to talk about the particle a and area. A, as we have seen, can be used as a preposition after a number of verbs. It indicates the complement following it, or it has a meaning as a preposition. For example, moti a means to call to someone. Tiasu a, to be compassionate on. He caught a, it means to stand or to stay for. Nav a in English is a complement followed directly the verb to see, but in Coptic no, it must be preceded by a preposition. So it follows a number of verbs to indicate the preposition, the complement after it, and it has a meaning as a preposition, whether to or for or in order to. And it has, as we have seen before, the function of indicating a gerund in continuous tenses. So we have seen before that it comes with the pronouns, preceding the pronouns in different tenses, and it indicates whether the continuous tense, whether present continuous, past continuous, future continuous, or any other tense preceded by a before the pronoun of the tense and the tense. It gives the continuity, meaning of continuity, and it gives meaning of gerund. And a is having another meaning of verb to be. It came from the hieroglyphics. If we look at here, its meaning in the hieroglyphics, it was to be. Io, it means to be. So it is being used also as the meaning of verb to be. An example of its usage as a verb to be, here we find it in 1 Corinthians chapter 9 and verse 21. Here it says, E anok o anomos an, not being outside law. So the word being here was expressed by a. It's for verb to be in continuity or in gerund. And in Arabic it wasn't translated, but in English it was translated as verb to be. Another usage of it is the infinitive, and it means also so as to or in order to. So we have, for example, in Matthew chapter 2 and verse 13, O mav shati gos nak, if nakotigar in Herodes in sabi alo itakov. Herodes is searching for, stay there until I tell you, because Herodes is searching for the boy to kill him. So as to or in order to, it was expressed by a plus the verb. So we have, as I have mentioned moments ago, we form the continuous tense from a plus a pronoun in any of the tenses, whether past, future, or present, and we form at the same time the gerund of it. So you can, once you read it, you can understand it either a gerund or a continuous tense. Example of it, for example, a saji, you can say I am speaking, or either of them. So I saji, I was speaking, or speaking in past tense when the main verb is in past. Aina saji, I will be speaking or speaking in future, and so on for the rest of the pronouns. When use it as infinitive, we use it before the verb, after the main verb of the sentence. So we read here, Han mission and propheties, Nemhan ismi, Av erbi simin, Enav owo esutem. So many righteous prophets and righteous, they desire to see and to listen. So we wanted to say to see after the conjugated verb av ABC mean, so we said to see and to listen. Here is the usage of Eri. Eri, as I have told you, it comes from the hieroglyphics from the late Egyptian form, and it means verb to be. So we have here its conjugation as Eri. So we read here uh, the herb seeding seed and the fruit tree producing fruit after its kind, whose seed is in itself. So is in itself, whose seed in itself. Here we read Emmas uta if iri on uta ere bifegrog. Ere bifegrog, here it means is, the seed is. And here in past tense we read wo if noti ere shin neven e pshoye volchin bkahi. And out of the ground Jehovah God caused to grow every tree. So it was caused to, with the meaning was made. uh, uh, Here it eri. Eri is a verb to be in past tense. Another usage of it, if not eri bik moit in yom. Your way is in the sea. So if not, it means God. Eri bik moit, your bik moit means your way. Eri, it means is. Nechrichen, in, if yom, the sea. And here we have its origin in hieroglyphics from yo, which means verb to be. You can find this lecture in YouTube CC channel, YouTube channel for Coptic education, Coptic language education, and you can find the fonts on the same archive.org same webpage for the channel. وشبه mod, thanks. Shatina verutin khin until seeing you in next lesson.